Many people would like to go and get a website built, but the problem is when they go and contact a company such as Mtek Digital, they're not exactly sure what their budget should even be. Typically, a website is in the neighborhood of, say, we'll call it the range of $3,000 to $20,000. What I mean by that is it depends on the configurability and options that you're looking for. Certainly you can scale custom websites. Many e-commerce solutions we've developed have gone and surpassed $20,000 when you get into some very custom details, talking to your back-end, automatic order, fulfillment, product catalog. There's a bunch of different things that come in play, but if all you want is a brochure website online that perhaps collects some information such through a contact form, you can do that on the lower side of things. We believe though that your online marketing budget shouldn't just encompass the website. It needs to be part of the bigger picture, which is your social media branding and making sure that's cohesive, some video and content marketing, perhaps some paid advertising online for placement. It can't just stop at the website. The website is the foundation and it goes beyond that.